Hi everyone, here we've got EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini, and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So firstly we have to enter our browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, so just tap on it and tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on the history, and as you can see here we've got the full list of previously visited websites. Of course you can remove all of them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if you'd like to remove all of them with actually one click and some more browsing data, just tap on clear browsing data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we've got browsing history, so the list we've just saw. Here we've got cookies and site data and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So in order to remove something, just make sure that it will be marked. So I want to remove everything actually. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So if you're ready, just tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, so it means that we just successfully removed actually everything, starting with the list of previously visited websites and ending with saved passwords, for example. So actually that's all. This is how to remove browsing data in your EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.